If you're planning to travel to China, it's highly recommended to install the Alipay app in advance. First, search for and install Alipay from your App Store. Then, you need to verify your phone number. Select your country code. Input your phone number. Then choose to log in via SMS. And follow the on-screen instructions, such as shaking your phone. Then enter the verification code. Select your country. Okay, now you're on the home page. Next, we need to verify your account. Go to Account and tap the arrow to enter account security. You will see identity information. Then click Verify Now. Fill in the required information. Then tap Submit. Next, upload your passport. Tap Take photos to capture your document. After uploading, you may need to complete additional information. After that, go back to My Account and tap My Name card. If it still shows unverified, tap to check. And see if anything is missing. For example, you may need to complete facial verification. Okay, now your account is successfully verified. Next, let's link your bank card. Go back to the home page and tap Bank Cards. Then enter your card details and input your PIN number. Set your payment password. Now Alipay has successfully linked your bank card. Tap Done. And you will see your card is successfully added. Now, you can pay like a local with Alipay at merchants across China. There are two main ways to pay with Alipay. Take transportation as an example. Tap Transport or DiDi Travel. Choose DiDi Ride, allow location access, and enter your destination. Then log in. Tap Agree. You can select the vehicle type. Then just wait for your ride. After you arrive, the fare will be automatically deducted from your linked bank card. Additionally, this is how you use Alipay for the metro and for high-speed rail as well. That's all for Alipay. This channel will continue sharing travel tips and daily life in China. Don't forget to like and follow.